Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to check replies to comments on YouTube and then the YouTube app. And this is very simple, but you need to know one single thing. Alright, if you tap right in the bottom on the profile picture, we need to tap on the wheel right in the top. Then from here we tap on manage all history, and then you can find all your history of YouTube for what you were searching, what you watch, everything that you want to see. Right now, if you tap on interactions, you see a lot of options, but for now, the option comment and replies is the most important part. From here, you can see all your comments on YouTube. And when you tap on a comment or when you go to the video and you search for your own comment, you can see the replies in that video under your own comments. So this is where you can find all your YouTube comments with the replies. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.